Good evening, I'm Jill Valley. Dennis Bragg is off tonight. After a record-breaking 47 straight days of dry weather in Missoula, the sky finally opened up yesterday, bringing more than a half-inch of rain to Missoula. However, not all of western Montana received this much-needed rain. Russ Thomas has more on the impact of Monday's precipitation and gives us a promising look ahead.
It's rare to see people this excited about rain, yet between text and my personal Facebook page, I was inundated with the sheer glee that came with the drops falling from the sky on Monday. It's been a long time since the rain has come down, nearly 7 weeks, and the impact in the Missoula and Bitterroot valleys is positive.
The amount of rainfall we got, the persistence of light to moderate rain throughout the day is going to be beneficial. It's going to be harder for fires to get started. It's going to be harder for fires to grow rapidly.
This is not to say the fire season can be put to bed in these areas, but it is a big step in the right direction. However, we saw very little to no rain where the fires are at their worst, but the news isn't all bad.
Unfortunately, we didn't get it exactly where we needed it. It certainly would have been even more beneficial in northwest Montana. We always try and look at these storm systems and come up with some positives, and one of the positives for them was cooler temperatures, cloud cover, and higher humidity, which then in turn keeps the fire growth to a lower level.
Even better, the best news may still be yet to come. August 21st is still too early to call for a season-ending wildfire event. However, the forecast for the near future may have us knocking on the door.
Long-range forecasting models are all pointing towards a pretty good pattern change at the end of this month and the start of September. That should produce cooler and the potential for wetter conditions, and perhaps more favorably wetter conditions in northwest Montana.
This would bring the potential of an earlier end of fire season than in recent years, which is welcome news to those ready for the smoke to go away. In Missoula, Russ Thomas, MTN News.
Even if the cooler and potentially wetter forecast for late August and early September does pan out, it's still important to take all of the precautions necessary that come with extreme fire danger. Now,